Koreans are known for their glowing, bright skin, which is achieved through a thorough and in-depth regimen. It's more intensive than most people would be used to, as it does go up to 10 steps. This can seem overwhelming at first, but with some practice, it will be like second nature. We're going to break it down for you and help you understand the benefits of this routine, and also help walk you through the 10 steps to customize and fit your skincare needs. Stay tuned. Korean women typically used oil-based cleansers or just normal water. This helps keeps the skin hydrated, removes any remaining residue from the night before, and leaves the skin feeling supple. The problem with oil cleansing though is that many people will use alcohol-based astringents as a way to remove the oil. What happens when you remove this oil with these alcohol-based toners and astringents is that even though you may remove that oil instantly, this might not be beneficial for you. This is because this then leads the body into this feedback loop that creates even more oil. This could actually make your oil problem worse, so it's best to clean your face using oil cleansers or just water. Oil cleansers can actually help to clean the oily skin without making it feel oilier, and also creating that feedback loop we talked about. Step 2 would be to use toners. Korean toners differ from other toners because they're meant to hydrate, moisturize, and help balance your skin's pH level after cleansing. This is a key part of the Koreans' beauty heritage, which stems from its natural ingredients that have been passed down from generations. Toners also aid in cleansing the skin and preventing ingrown hairs. Step 3 would be to use essences. Essences are a hybrid between toners and serums. They work great to hydrate our skin and aid our complexion and cellular turnover, which helps our skin get that youthful appearance. Luminosity has worked with some of the best cosmetic experts in Korea to formulate a low-cost, highly effective snail extract essence renewal cream, with no added surprises. The snails aren't harmed in any way, meaning it's 100% cruelty-free. It aids in moisture retention, increased production of elastin and collagen, and can remove sunspots and much more. The serum comes with a hefty whack of snail mucin. In fact, it's the third ingredient on the list, beaten only by water and squalene. Again, it's 100% all natural, 100% cruelty free, and comes from ethical snail farms. To top that, it's cheaper than virtually every snail serum on the market. Be sure to check it out. Essences are understood to be more fluid and less concentrated than regular serums that follow. The skin needs to be damped in order for the skincare products to be absorbed best, and this is what essences do. Once your skin is full of water, everything else absorbs more easily. Step 4 is to apply serums and ampules. Serums and ampules are products formulated with active ingredients that target specific needs by skin type for things like dehydration, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and more. Ampules have a high number of active ingredients to help aid in targeting specific skincare concerns. They're used for a limited amount of time for when your skin needs a little extra help. Serums and ampules both help refine our pores, aid in helping the skin retain moisture, and can also reduce the signs of skin fatigue. Step 5 is to use moisturizers. Moisturizers are designed for our skin to help create barriers that will lock the beneficial ingredients that we've applied from previous products. A thin layer across our skin helps us maintain that lasting hydration and smoothness all day long. This will help us prevent dryness, help fight acne, and soothe sensitive skin, and also protects us from the sun if you have one included with SPF. Step 6 is to use eye creams and treatments. The skin around our eyes is thin and gets more easily dehydrated compared to everywhere else, so it should be treated with a cream specifically formulated to protect and brighten our skin. It can also help debuff those bags that we get around our eyes. Step 7 is to use sunscreen. Sunscreen is huge in Korea, as it should be anywhere. Sunscreen is incredibly important, probably one of the most important ingredients to an amazing skincare routine. The sun carries harmful UV rays that permanently damage our skin cells and fast track the aging process. Overexposure to sunlight can increase the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and can also increase our chances of getting skin cancer. Sunscreen helps keep our complexion even, protects us against those harmful UV rays, and promotes young, healthy looking, radiant skin in order to keep our skin safe and happy. Every morning, finish off your skincare regime with either a dedicated sunscreen or some moisturizing cream that includes SPF inside of it. But try to stay away from oxybenzone. Oxybenzone is a known hormone disruptor because it's known to mimic the hormones in our bloodstream. Step 8 is to use a non-irritating exfoliator 2 to 3 times per week. This will promote cell turnover and unclog our pores to allow for that better product absorption. This will help keep our skin looking nice and youthful. When it comes to removing dead skin, Koreans are known to use gomage pills. Exfoliating is great because it unclogs our pores, helps prevent acne, helps other skincare products penetrate deeper, evens out our skin tone, and lastly promotes collagen synthesis. If you have sensitive skin, try to use it only once a week. If you don't, then 2 to 3 times a week is recommended. But everyone is different. So if you notice your skin is getting red or irritated, then adapt accordingly. Exfoliation should be a fun and relaxing process. Damaging your skin is counterproductive. Step 9 is to apply sheet mask. Single-use sheet masks are made from using the same active ingredient inside serums. Having a solid collection of sheet masks gives you more freedom in customizing your skincare routine. Skin sheets allow our skin to rest during usage, seals in the beneficial properties, and hydrates and nourishes our skin. The final step is sleeping masks. When we are asleep, that is when our skin regeneration doubles down. Non-rinse sleeping masks helps make the most of this whole process. It's loaded with plenty of active ingredients that stay on your skin all night. If you use them 2 to 3 times a week, along with your regular moisturizer, you'll be having an incredibly efficient beauty sleep. Sleeping masks are cheap, improve our quality of sleep, are safe, and are excellent for our skin. So, those are the 10 steps you need to take in order to maintain that healthy, smooth, and rejuvenated skin. If you apply these 10 steps consistently over the next 30 days, you should see a huge difference in your skin health. Also, ensure that you have a good diet and you're drinking plenty of water. Well everyone, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Our business specializes in skincare for both women and men. We have a large range of products from creams to serums and facial masks to help you have and maintain healthy skin. We combine a variety of all the most beneficial ingredients like jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, green tea, and more to suit your daily skincare needs. Be sure to check them out and expect more videos in the future talking about skincare, correct application, and much more. To stay up to date, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Take care.